The reach is almost complete. It's about 82% complete in terms of the cleanup aspect of it. We would have focused on vector control, particularly in areas of Portmore where you have a lot of earth drains. We would have focused on cleaning those to reduce the mosquito population. The other aspect of REACH, which is a $3 billion program, is the road rehabilitation program. And that is currently ongoing. Prime Minister would have announced it in September, but due to consistent rains, we were not able to escalate the patching. I think in a ballpark way, we have lost probably about 60 to 80 tons of asphalt due to rain, where contractors would have gone out with a truckload of asphalt to do patching, and the rains came down, and you cannot put down coal asphalt. So we had to make decisions during the period to pause the patching.